Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a winning profile on Upwork for freelance jobs. First, all you want to do is come to Upwork and log in. Once you've logged in, click on the top right and click on your profile. From here, you'll be able to see you can add in lots of things to boost your profile. Here you can add an overview. You can add what you do, for example, as a professional, or you can add what you like to do as a hobby and add a profile overview to basically explain what you can and can't do, any accomplishments, any educations that you have, etc. From here, when you scroll down, you can add a video introduction if you'd like. Add how many hours per week you're available. This will help people if they have longer projects to come to you and ask for your services. Add any languages that you know how to speak. Make sure to verify your phone number and ID. If you have any licenses, make sure to add them and education. When you scroll all the way down, you'll see something called skills. Add any skills that you have. These act as sort of like tags for your profile. So if, let's say, someone was looking for a video editing service from me, I would have video editing here, showing that I know how to video edit. Then, of course, you can scroll down even further and see that you have, for example, testimonials, certifications, any employment history that you have, and other experiences. So make sure to add everything. Then, after you've filled in everything, come up here to profile settings in the top right and click on it. From here, you have some other things that you can add in. For example, your experience level. This will be depending on what you've put yourself as. So for example, for me, I've put myself down as an administrative assistant, as that is what I do professionally. And so I'd put myself down as expert. You can add categories of what you do of your field of work. You can also add something called specialized profiles. This is basically multiple different profiles showcasing your skills in more depth. So for example, if I were to add administrative assistant to one, I could add, for example, video editor to another. You can also link any accounts that you may have, showcasing your skills, and that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.